Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I've just finished work. I know I don't usually work Tuesdays or even Mondays because I worked yesterday. But the girl I usually work with is on holiday, so I've just come in. We've got a new system put in, so it all needs rejigging and all that sort of stuff. So I've just finished because I come in a bit earlier as well, just to avoid all the crowds, because there's so many people about. So I do all of that and then I'm finished at 9, which is quite nice. I thought I'd go and have a look around a couple of the shops. I've got some items going up in my Etsy shop, some shoes, a couple of vintage shirts. So if you want to pop over, I will link that below. So there's some nice shoes that I've picked up in the past, and that's it really. I'm just going to have a look around the charity shops if I can. Might be a bit early, so, but anyway, I shall see you in a bit. Today is Saturday. It is hot as balls outside, and look at this weather though. I mean, it is beautiful. Look, glorious. It's actually quite a nice breeze, that. So yeah, not much happening today. I popped down the charity shop. Today I'm wearing my lovely silk shirt, little boob tubey thing, and my little Daisy Dukes and meth sandals, and a vintage scarf wrapped around my head. So I was just reversing the car, ready for the boy when he comes home from volunteering. So that's it really, nothing else. Tomorrow we're going off into Worcester, so I'll probably bring you along with me to Worcester, which will be fun. So that's it. I'll see you soon.